Karma Guy here. Looking for a reliable and affordable sedan? Check out this 2003 Honda Accord DX. This Accord boasts low miles for its age and comes with a clean Carfax report showing dealer service history. Recent service includes a pre-delivery inspection, new air filters, spark plugs, and tires. This vehicle is being offered as a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for added peace of mind. Plus, enjoy a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit us today and experience the Honda Accord difference. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.